I can't be the only person that just loves the sound of this kind of stuff. Just finished clearing out all the way up in this way here because it's kind of plugged up with leaves and stuff. So all the water's sort of flowing a little bit better. Just comes down through here under the bridge, which is holding up really well from when I built it not that long ago. And off it goes, continues down the property. It's just such a nice place to sit and have a coffee. We've got Sue here, right there, and Martine's over here. Got these little signs. You guys are fantastic. There's tons more in this forest, all over the place. Just a great place to be.